Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 3 popular types of paint: oil paint, acrylic paint, and watercolor. If you're a beginner wondering which one to start with, stick until the end for more tips. Let's start with oil paint. Oil paints are known for their rich, vibrant colors and glossy finish. They blend beautifully, which means you can create smooth transitions and detailed work. One thing to keep in mind is that they take a long time to dry, so you have plenty of time to make adjustments. However, the long drying time can also be a downside if you want to finish your project quickly. Cleaning up oil paints can be a bit of a hassle because you need special solvents like turpentine or mineral spirits. Plus, the fumes can be strong, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Next up, acrylic paint. Acrylics are super popular, especially for beginners. They dry quickly, so you can build up layers fast and finish your project sooner. They're also water-soluble, which means you can clean your brushes with just water, no harsh chemicals needed. Acrylics are really versatile. You can make them look like oil paints or even like watercolors, depending on how much water you use. But they dry quickly, which can make blending colors a bit tricky. Also, the colors might darken slightly as they dry, so keep that in mind. Lastly, we have watercolors. Watercolors are amazing for creating light, transparent layers. They're easy to set up and clean, just water is all you need. They're also super portable, so you can paint wherever you go. However, watercolors can be hard to control because the paint can bleed and spread unexpectedly. You'll need good quality watercolor paper to prevent buckling. And, unlike acrylics and oils, mistakes are harder to fix with watercolors. So, which one should you start with if you're a beginner? I recommend starting with acrylics. They're easy to use, dry quickly, and are more forgiving than oils and watercolors. Once you get comfortable, you can always try out oils or watercolors later on. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you decide which paint to start with. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. See you next time.